Hey, what's up, nation? I'm Scott from MuscularStrength.com, and you know, a lot of people think that when it comes to correcting rounded shoulders, that training your back is the exact opposite of training your chest. Hence, the two cancel each other out, meaning that your shoulders will be balanced and healthy if you perform back and chest workouts on a 1-to-1 ratio. I mean, even I used to think this back in the day, so don't feel bad if you were taught this as well. But guys, this couldn't be further from the truth. The fact is that your biggest back muscles are your lats, and not only do they not externally rotate the shoulder, but they actually contribute to its internal rotation. And remember, we even talked about before that the lats are responsible for humerus adduction, and so thinking that training your lats will prevent shoulder imbalances, kyphotic posture, and injuries is just not correct. So if you're still suffering from protracted shoulders, even with a balanced chest and back workout, what you need to be doing is placing a bit more emphasis on training your rear delts, rhomboids, lower and mid traps, and rotator cuff muscles. And the only exercise you need is the face pull with an external shoulder rotation. All right, guys, so I've shown you how to do this exercise in the past, and in the past, we've done more of an internal rotation to target a bit more upper traps. And the way you would do that is you're going to hold the rope with your palms facing away, and then when you pull it to your face, your elbows are as high as possible. Now, if we're trying to correct our pronated shoulders, okay, our rounded shoulders, we want to start to target more mid and lower traps, more rear deltoids, more rhomboids, and your rotator cuff muscles. And the best way to do that is to actually internally rotate your shoulders. So you're still going to grab the rope with your palms facing away, but now instead of pulling like this, you're going to pull this way. And you can see my elbows are down, and I'm retracting and depressing my shoulders. I'm retracting and depressing my scapula as much as I can, getting a nice tight squeeze in my back before returning to the starting position and repeating for reps. And if you guys look from the back side, you can see a clear difference. So this is the internal rotation. You're getting more of that upper trap engagement. And then if you do external rotation, you'll see all the muscles throughout my mid-back activate. And you can see a difference where the elbows go when you're doing it this way as well. And when doing this exercise, guys, you can choose to do it on your shoulder day or your back day, but believe it or not, if you have any sort of pain in your shoulders when you're bench pressing, let's say your chest day, if you do this movement in between all your pushing sets, you might find that it might help alleviate a lot of that pain while obviously strengthening and correcting the pronated shoulders. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button. And as for sets and reps with this exercise, if you're going in between all your sets, that's fine on your push day. But if you're doing it as a standalone exercise, why not hit 5 to 6 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions? Just make sure you're using a weight that allows you to activate all those muscles in your back, okay? It's not an exercise where you're supposed to go crazy heavy on. You're supposed to use just enough weight to be able to pull back, hold for a second, and then return back to the starting position. If you guys enjoyed the video, like I said, smash that like button, turn on video notifications so you never miss a new video upload from me. And as always, more good stuff coming soon. See you guys.